So remember Medina?
Oh, yes.
How did it feel to go to Medina for the first time?
A feel of tranquility.
Thinking about it really makes me feel like a closeness with the Prophet ﷺ.
Walk me back through that first time you went in front of the Prophet ﷺ's grave, said salam to him, and realized that you were in such proximity to him.
So close, yeah. I cried a lot, and I don't actually know why I was crying.
For me, it's just like, I'm really there.
You just feel like you belong there, even though you've never been there before. It just, you just never want to leave.
Do you know who Muhammad ﷺ is?
Yes.
Who is he?
He is the last prophet.
So what's your favorite quality about the Prophet ﷺ when you think of him?
Inspirational, strong. I say, how did you push through all the people coming at you, and how did you strive to be the greatest human being even though you had all this hardship and all these troubles in your life?
What if you heard a knock at the door and the Prophet ﷺ was at the door? He came to your house.
Oh my gosh. I don't know.
I've never had someone ask me these questions.
I'd be scared. I don't know.
You'd be scared.
I wouldn't know what to say. I wouldn't know what to do. I'd probably just go hug him or.
Do you think the Prophet ﷺ would want to meet you?
I hope so. He said that we are his brothers. So I would hope he would want to meet me.
What would be the first words you'd say to the Prophet ﷺ on that moment when you meet him?
You delivered the message, Jazakallah khair, perfectly, and I did my best to follow him.
When you get your Nabi to see just to see his face, you got everything. You got everything in the hair. That's all you need in this world.
I want to talk to you. This was a hard journey. Can we talk about it?
So when you see him in Jannah, inshallah, and you're sitting in the living room of the Prophet ﷺ in Jannah, what are you going to tell him? What's the first thing you're going to tell him when you see him?
I think the first thing that I'll say is I'll thank him for teaching us whatever we needed to be taught. Because if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be in Jannah in the first place. I wouldn't have those qualities to be in Jannah.
So what do you say to someone that saved you? I mean, thank you.
Ya Rasulullah, thank you. Thank you for teaching me how to be the best person that I could be.
I was waiting for this moment. Gracias. And I will say, te amo.